Coach, thoughts on the first night?
Well, I think every time I'm asked that question as a head coach, many years I've been a head coach, it's always the same. It's not what you want it to be. It's kind of like the first day. The ball was on the ground a little bit too much. Had a couple penalties. Didn't quite fit up on some things, but I thought they gave good effort. We'll get better from today.
You try to get out of maybe the first 3-4 days of practice. What would you like to see going forward to get better?
You kind of pick up where we left off in the spring, which I think we did. Our meetings were very good today. Assignments were pretty good. The freshmen are really swimming because of the volume and just being thrown in the fire. So a lot of the mistakes we made were freshman mistakes, and I'm trying to get them as many reps as I can just to see where they're at. I think it's easy to just say they can't do it. I really want to see and push the envelope with those freshmen, see what they can do. So part of it's them getting on board and understanding what we're trying to get done, not just from a assignment standpoint, but cultural standpoint and structure, and how to take notes in meetings, how to ask questions, how to be professional. So if we get those freshmen on board a little bit quicker, then I think we will have accomplished a lot. I think the big thing, trying to get our core offense and defense in these first 3 or 4 days. We're pretty much going to replicate tomorrow's practice with today's installation, so we're not putting anything new in. Just repeat today again tomorrow. We do the same thing on Thursday and Friday, so it gives them a chance to rehearse it one more time.
Looks like Sarge didn't take part maybe in a lot of team activities. Was that by plan or?
Yeah, it was. He kind of, in running, he kind of tweaked his hamstring, so he could have gone, but I just didn't think there was need. It gave us a chance to work those younger guys right now.
Did Christian look like he had a couple bursts? Did he look like he was picking up where he left off in the spring?
I can't say. I really didn't focus on him a whole lot. I was kind of looking at the whole thing, and the only individual that really jumped out at me, I thought, was Nate Askew. I thought he had a good day, made some big catches, but I just kind of look at the whole more than the part right now and just see if we're moving around okay, and it's organized and everybody knows what they're doing. So I'll start focusing more on the players here probably after tomorrow's practice.
You mentioned there were some struggles. Were there things you saw tonight that you liked?
Yeah, I thought the attitude was good. It was 100% football. There was no jacking around out there. I mean, they were into it. They were into the meetings. They were taking notes. They were asking questions. They remember stuff from last year. We threw a lot of stuff at them today, so they absorbed a lot today. So, yeah, from a mental standpoint, I thought they did pretty good for what we asked of them.
Lots of installation on defense in the spring, just continuing that year 2 with DeRuyter. Did you see a lot of carryover from the returning players?
Yeah, they picked up where they left off. I thought they didn't have any setbacks with what we were installing.
Coach, Mike Evans seemed to have a pretty good day out there today. Have you guys ever thought of using him as a tight end?
That's a possibility. Maybe in a year or so, that could possibly happen if he gets big enough. But no, right now I think he's pretty well set there at the receiver. I like those big, tall guys, and his skill level right now and his strength level probably is more suited for receiver than tight end.
Coach, after doing the Big 12 Media Day and all this stuff, is it fun just to get those guys out on the field and getting them playing in front of you?
Yeah, I mean, it seems like this day was forever coming. I mean, gosh dang it, we've been, coaches' nights, just a long time since this day came. So we're looking forward to it. I see everybody else started up. I'm getting anxious. Why aren't we starting up? And obviously we go by the NCAA count on when you can start. But yeah, it's good to get out there with the guys and see us take that first step.
Did you feel like you got a little break with the weather today, Coach? It didn't seem to be that bad. Maybe that's why you did it at 3:30. Did you feel like maybe the weather wasn't that bad today?
Yeah, part of the, believe it or not, that's part of the philosophy. See, so we try to go at nighttime to get out of the sun. But, I think it helps going at night. Plus the fact that some of them are taking exams during the day and studying. So we get them up in the morning. We meet them in the morning. They have a 6 o'clock run. We meet them in the morning from 6:30 to 7:30. They go to class, study, whatever they do, get a lift in, come on back here in the afternoon, meet, and then practice at nighttime. So it works out well for us. I think the fact that we're in school right now plays a big part of the schedule, to be honest with you. If we didn't have school, we'd probably be practicing in the morning.
Did I miss something else? Skills on defense, did that happen in the off season?
You didn't get the memo on Scales? Okay. Well, I apologize.
And this is one thing, that's why I asked.
Okay. No, Scales, he's a good kid. He's worked hard. You know, he's behind a guy that feel he's going to hold his position. So we want to give him a chance to see what he can do on defense. He's a good athlete. He can run. And I thought we needed a little bit extra depth on defense. He came to me and asked me. We had thought about it beforehand, but he really wanted to do it. If he wasn't going to embrace it, I wasn't going to do it. So we'll see. I really didn't get a wind of him today. What he did, I got to look at the tape and see.
Couple more.
Anybody else?
Thanks, Coach.
All right, guys.
Appreciate it, Coach.